I put the iPad to the test for an entire week. I used no MacBook or PC. Just the iPad, Magic Keyboard, and Apple Pencil were my tools. Here's what I discovered. Checkmark the positives. The battery life was exceptional. I easily got 10 hours without a hitch. Typing on the Magic Keyboard was almost as satisfying as typing on a Mac. For tasks like writing, planning, and sketching, it actually exceeded expectations. Procreate and Notability stand out as premier creative applications. The integration within the Apple ecosystem was flawless. AirDrop and continuity made everything so simple. Crossmark the drawbacks. File management remains a challenge. USB-C is beneficial, but dealing with dongles can be frustrating. While video editing is possible, it comes with limitations. Coding? It's simply not feasible. Google Docs and Sheets struggle when it comes to multitasking. Additionally, I found myself unable to run extensions in Safari or access some professional applications, which hindered my efficiency. Final thoughts. The iPad has the potential to substitute a laptop, provided you don't require advanced multitasking or desktop-level applications. If you're a student, blogger, creator, or educator, the iPad is an ideal choice. However, if you are a developer, video editor, or data analyst, it's best to stick with a laptop, or utilize both. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, and activate notifications for more tech challenges, experiments, and candid insights from TechWave 65.